This is another video of my cat. Hey, what are you? Oh my god. What are you doing to me? This is ridiculous. No, stop it. Bad. No, stop it. Good thing I have this glove on. Ow. Can I move my glove, please? Can I please move my hand? Ah! He's going on a frenzy. Ow, ow. Ow, it's going through. Stop ripping apart my hand. No, bad cat. Bad. I just want to pet you. Ow. No. No. This is ridiculous. Are you gonna let me pet you now? Oh my god. Alright, I think he wants to be left alone. Alright, see yous.